In the days before television, the car was still very much a novelty, which brings us here to Coonan's Hill in inner suburban Melbourne. You see, people used to come here years ago just to see whether their car would get up this hill or not. Well, today we're going to try it again, but this time with a modern twist in the Suzuki Alto. The Alto is one of a growing breed of city cars designed to use tiny engines and their compact sizes to dart around crowded city streets. But we live in the real world, with big hills and big people. The $12,000 Alto uses a 1-litre 3-cylinder engine that produces just 55 kilowatts of power. There's motorbikes more powerful than that. With local builders Joe and Wayne on board and two 20-kilogram bags of cement in the boot, we're coming pretty close to the Alto's 370-kilogram carrying capacity. Now the big question is, do we leave the air conditioning on or do we switch it off?
No, I reckon leave it on so it gives them more grunt of the motor to work on. Yeah.
Alright.
Let's go, eh?
Slowly. Reckon we get second gear?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try. Oops.
Oh, dying down there. He's dying.
Back to first?
Yeah, I reckon so. That's it.
There we go. You might need to lift your feet to make the car a bit lighter.
Mucks it in. Were you flat to the boards then?
I was. Well, there you go. The Suzuki Alto made it, but it's not surprising considering how far cars have come since people first started testing them on Coonan's Hill. The one thing that hasn't really changed though is how much fun it can still be.